Are you ready to go?
All right. Look at your neighbor and say to them, you're going to learn something. Go ahead and tell them that.
John is helping the world understand what leadership truly is. He epitomizes what he writes.
But if it gets to the heart, it's something that you become. And I want you to become that leader.
He's beyond a leadership guru. Leadership gurus are people that others look to for inspiration and guidance, but he's beyond that because he lives it.
For over 40 years, Dr. John Maxwell has been teaching people to answer their call to lead. A New York Times, Wall Street Journal, and Amazon best-selling author, millions have read his books. He has spoken to Fortune 500 companies and to such diverse organizations as the United Nations, the NFL, and the U.S. Military Academy at West Point. He's equipped more than 5 million people in over 153 countries with leadership training. And his philosophy is simple. Everything rises and falls on leadership.
Are you ready to go?